Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Leander's Sister Just Want Me to Coax Her, chapter 85. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Gusing and Mengyan. Since Mengyan already falls asleep at this moment, Gusing, she was trying to cover her so she really can feel cold. But it seems that after attending to her, Gusing silently went out again. Well, she closed the door, and it seems that Mengyan, she was still awakened. Well, what do you think? What will Gusing's gonna do? Have you figured out how to explain it? At this moment, she's been puzzled why this Mengyan continue to provoke her. Even though she's been warned, I thought you knew me well enough. Mengyan said, it's not too difficult. To Dianat herself, Mengyan suddenly said to her, so it turns out this future Mengyan has something flat to do with her. It's not too difficult to tie the knot yourself. Well, finally, the first Mengyan is already awakened. What do you think? This must be a chaos, right? In order to get my sister's attention, I can do anything. The future Mengyan said, you shouldn't put yourself a life-threatening situation because if you die, it will be no use. Well, it's better to die in there. After all, no one can win. Well, Mengyan suddenly said, but the door, it's opening. Could it be that there's something wrong? Until Mengyan, she feels something. So it turns out Gusing, this time, she's really getting angry on her. Well, probably, she can control herself because she's trying to put herself in danger. Wait, sorry, I started it subconsciously. It's over. How could this then hand be so quick? I haven't done anything for so long. Gusing said, but you can say is that this is misleading her. Well, she was right. If the real Mengyan can see her, she might feel really confused. How can the two Mengyan are still in the same place? As Mengyan's lover, there's no need for her to resort to her self-harm and self-destructions to gain attention from the beginning of my relationship with her. My mind, my body and soul has been loyal to her. She doesn't feel safe with me, so she likes to put some small eavesdropping devices around me. I just want to feel at ease, so I let her do it. So stop saying that. I was afraid that she would hear it, that she wouldn't think so much, and that I wouldn't lose her. When did you find out I have a bag? Well, the real Mengyan at this moment, she can hear that until. Look at her suddenly. She heard something. The eavesdropping devices has been interrupted. Well, it seems that Mengyan, she is really getting tricky. At this moment, the first thing Mengyan said, what about me? So, since she crashed the device on hers, well, it seems that the real Mengyan, she need to handle this. But can the pain you caused me be wiped out? So it turns out until now, the future Mengyan has been in trouble because suddenly Gusing was missing on that time. Sister, you don't treat me like this. I was just about to ask, who is responsible for Mengyan's anxious accidents, who guidance disappearance, might also be related to you, right? Now, it makes sense. Do you still care about them? Well, at this moment, the future Mengyan, it seems that she really wanted to say an alibi so she can able to clear herself in front of Gusing, then go report me and have me arrested. Why are you so afraid of getting your lovely girlfriend into trouble? Now, it's so really partial. Mengyan said to her. Now Gusing, she looks really terrified that she seems to have nothing something else in her words. Well, it turns out this future Mengyan, she was really tough and also cruel. Looking at her eyes, Why did you fall in love with her? She is clearly a false shell that you don't even admit. Don't you hate her the most? Well, Mengyan, she continued to provoke her and also asking her so many questions until she was losing her mind. At this moment, she is trying to ask her more things, but it seems that Gusing, she was really in trance. Or do you just like this space? Or because she was the first woman you slept? Well, they can do that too, right? Mingyan suddenly said to her, but still, she is really getting picky. Remember, I came here to punish you and also take revenge on you. You should confess to me in vain and pleading instead of looking disgusting as you have found a true love. Well, it's crazy. You're crazy. Let me go. None of my business. Cursing. She was screaming. Of course, she don't want to any relationship with this girl. This girl. It's really crazy. Cursing. She was really finding help. Also, she was screaming. Well, what do you think? Can Mengyan will gain to save her or she's been in trouble again? The future Mengyan saved? Well, it seems that she was really tricking her. Also for ghosting. She has no much in this future Mengyan girl and now she's been interrupted. Well, the door suddenly opened, so it turns out Mengyan the person at this moment she can see that Mengyan from the future are vanishing ghosting. Mengyan, ghosting. She was speaking to her. Save me. At this moment, she was trying to ask self, but Mengyan, it seems that this is really getting crazy. Venus says you didn't see her. It's now the time to talk about this, while Gusing suddenly said to her. But still, Mengyan, it seems that she is really getting jealous. Okay then, tell me, who is she and how you know her? Since you're not interested in her, why do you keep talking to her? What secrets are you hiding from me? Tell me everything. Knowing she was trying to dare. It is because you can bear it. Well, it seems that Mengyan, she was going to punish her. But what do you think? Until now, she can able to determine the future Mengyan. Well, it was really heartbreaking to see that Kusing, she was really acting tough. Well, it's really painful for her, right? Let's see what's gonna happen next. I'm not a loyal and a good lover. Why I am the one suffering from being in trouble? Kusing said to herself. Now she was really in trouble. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!